This is Robert with Stiffler Manufacturing, and we are heading over to Task Force Red to do their grand opening, where they are going to have Stiffler Manufacturing slides on site. Hey, Don J, how you doing, man? Watcher, what's going on? Thank you for the like, greatly appreciate it. We are heading off to a gun store. They're doing their grand opening, and they will have Stiffler Manufacturing slides on site. Hey, Desert Armory, what's going on, man? Heading off to a Tucson gun store opening today. Well, we might get some rain later. Don J, I don't remember if you were in one of our lives when we were talking about it. We are stopping all shipments to California of gun-related parts January 1st. Right on, man. It absolutely is. And there's, to get around it, we'd have to hire someone to fix some stuff on our website, to add age verification, third-party apps, and we're not going to do that. Not for California, I'm sorry. If it was something we had to do because like the whole country was doing it, yeah, that, whatever. But just for California, no. Oh, absolutely. Love the weather. It's a nice 84 degrees, and it's not even 1 p.m. yet. Honestly, that's not even the big hurdle right now, Don J. We need more contracts, and we need more individual sales. And we were looking at our California numbers, and it's not, compared to other states, California's not even ordering enough. But we're looking for FFLs in California that are interested in getting slides in their stores, because we know there's going to be a whole lot of companies looking to just stop shipments. We're only looking at stopping shipments to individuals. We'd like to still sell to California FFLs and get our slides to California. That way they don't have to deal with any of the BS. Nah, man, the construction is eternal. I'm sure the city's laundering somehow, or the state. Somebody's getting some in their pocket. And it never lasts long enough, You've seen the roads in Arizona. Every time they do construction, the roads never last. It's always a constant cycle of patching. But yep, we're heading off to the grand opening. It's run by a retired Command Sergeant Major with the U.S. Army. He's actually had quite a long career, served in the active Army, the National Guard, the Air National Guard, and the Navy. And he's also spent almost like 20 years in law enforcement. And now he runs a gun shop. Hey, Instructor George, what's going on? Yeah, if you hear anything, Don J, we'd be happy to supply to them. And, you know, if they only need a small amount, because, like, we're sending hundreds of slides off to distributors like Delta, and, you know, MMC and Davidson and stuff like that. But then if there's smaller businesses that only need 5 slides or 10 slides, obviously the more they order, the better deal they're going to get. But, you know, we have mom and pop shop rates. Because we want to supply if I could find 100 mom and pop shops that wanted like 5 slides every other month, man, that'd be sweet. Ah, yeah, small world, right? You know, funny enough, the sergeant major, you know, he's retired now, but that runs this shop, both my brother and I met him while we were in the Army. Small world. And now he's got a gun shop, and he's got our slides in his gun shop. They also do some gunsmithing, which is pretty cool. Blinded by the light. Yeah, it's going to be a short live because we're going to roll in. They've already started their grand opening almost an hour ago. So we're going to pop in, meet and greet, say hi, answer questions. So I can't run the live into that, but if you happen to be passing through Arizona in Tucson, check out Task Force Red. I like going to the small gun shops. You never know what they're going to have. They have some of the coolest stuff compared to box stores that sell guns. Like Sportsman's has a wide collection, right? But compared to like what some of the mom and pop shops have, come on, buddy, get over. Should have signaled earlier. 10X shooters, what's going on, man? All right, let's get on over. Oh, phone is heating up, apparently. What the heck? That's a little weird. Shouldn't be. It's only in the 80s. You think the V series could be added to the roster? Yeah, maybe. I think California is just trying to get rid of Glock entirely. And we're looking into whether or not we can create slides that'll fit the V series without infringing on any potential new patents that Glock might have. I mean, I don't think it will, but you never know. I've been looking into it a little bit, and it doesn't look like it's going to be a problem. Oh, heck yeah, 10X. Right on, man. And we're off to a gun shop. Let's see, I think it was somewhere over here. Oh, yep, here we are. Want to make sure I'm going to the right place. Yep, we are. All right. Task Force Red. Okay, everybody. There we are. So I'm headed off to Task Force Red. We're going to go check out their grand opening. And they've got our slides there. So another gun shop carrying Stiffler slides right here in Arizona. So that's what I'm going to go do. I'll probably do some posting about it later. Might do another live later. 10X has got a Stiffler slide he's going to be doing an unboxing of, so check that out. Hey, Christopher Lewis, what's going on? McMahon, how are you? So we're going to do that. Another veteran-owned business. Show them some support. Of course, they picked up our slides, so got to stop by and say hi. And thank you all for checking out the live. I know this one's a really short one, but thank you so much for popping in. And as always, stay 2A every day.